responsive daw ang employer ni client upon investigation. Syempre, inasikaso namin yun hanggang we prove them wrong. Nagsupply kami ng screenshot ng response ng employer kay Pag-ibig na si client ay active employee ng company nila. Eh di ayun, approve din kami after 38 days of process. Nag-move in o lumipat rin agad si client 1 week after receiving approval notice. Madaling araw nga pala kami naglipat ng gamit ni client sa unit niya since may pasok siya sa weekdays at ayaw niya makipagsabayan sa mga posibleng mag-move in rin during weekends. This is for her personal use at first investment here in Manila, which is sobrang saya niya. Hindi naman may kakaila because with just 10,000 nakalipat agad siya. Kaya ikaw, baka ito na ang sign mo para maging maagap dahil hindi lahat ng property